So I have a few more questions that are more on the finance side, but there is one I cannot resist asking you. Srivasan Prakash asks, I'm 16. I want to take up investing as a full-time career. What is Mr. Munger's best advice for me?
Well, if you pursue any career with enough fanaticism, that's very likely to work better than not having the fanaticism. And so if you look at Warren Buffett, he had this fanatic interest in investments from an early age, and he kept making small investments even with his paper route savings and so forth. And he finally learned how to be pretty good at it. And so if you want to succeed in investments, start early and try hard and keep doing it. That's all success comes that way, but by and large.